This video is for Kumar Garu by his request. This is my grill here. I am planning for a breakfast grilled chicken. So I started my grill and I need to clean it up, and then this is a propane tank. Okay. Now, since we cleaned up this grill from the last night's party, now I'm gonna put some more chicken on it to have some fresh grilled chicken. Okay, here is the chicken which is being marinated in tandoori masala. Listen to the sound. That is the sound of sizzling chicken on a nice cast iron grill. Okay, that's one turn after 10 minutes of one side, and this is the grill marks I am seeing. Kumar Garu, it is not yet subject about grill marks, but that is what it is.